When I learned these 3 secrets for online success, that's what made the big difference for me. I went from zero to over $600,000 in 1 year by learning this strategy. In this video, I'm going to unlock this strategy to you to show you what those 3 secrets are, because you might be doing one, you might be doing two, but if you're not doing all three, you will not have the success that you want in the online space. I learned this the hard way, so please listen up, stick with me in this video, implement these 3 secrets so you know that you're ready to make money online. Hey, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I had tried for 5 years before that to fumbling around, buying this course, buying that course, because I had a need, a desire to figure out how to earn online because I loved the portability and flexibility it could give me. In this video, I'm going to break down why it's important, and if you're not doing all three, you won't have the success that you're looking for in the online space. The first thing that you need to do is find a niche. Now, what is a niche? The neat thing about a niche is it's you. It's untapping your unique superpowers. It's showing up in the online space as your unique person. The things that make you tick, the things that make you excited, the things that who you are. Like if you love horses, if you are a farmer, you need to show up and show off who you are and why that's important to you. And you will connect in the online space with people who relate to that. My sister-in-law loves horses. She has loved horses since she was little. Me, not so much. I like the look of them, but they're not in my heart of hearts. But if a person who loved horses came across her videos and they saw horses, they'd be like, ooh, it would pique their interest. They would want to watch. So when you tap into your unique superpowers and figure out, dive deep and narrow in on your niche, that is one of the most important things that you need to do in an online business, is make sure you're tapping down into your niche. Secret number 2 is having a product. Now, I always recommend when you're starting in the very beginning is to have a digital product, something that you can sell. The neat thing about digital products is the fact that when somebody purchases it, they get it immediately. There's no shipping cost, there's no handling on your part, and there's no returns, which is awesome. And what I love about the blueprint that I'm following, the course that I took, is it's an e-learning program. So you learn all these things that I'm telling you right now about the online space. You learn about how you can make money, how you can use automation, how you can find your niche, how you can monetize on all the different social media channels. You can tap into affiliate marketing. You can learn. This is an e-learning course, like a class, right? So you learn this. But the neat thing is, once you go through the class, you are then certified. So it's a certification course, and you get a certification. Now, that means you have then the rights to resell the program for 100% profit. So not only do you not need to create a program or a course or a product to start with, you have all that from the product that you just learned from. Isn't that amazing? I mean, it's called the master resale rights. You get the ability to make 100% profit from a course you didn't create that you are learning from. We call it a learn and earn program. That is amazing. I spent $900 on a course. It continues to teach me. It's a live interactive program. Like every week we get live tech support, training, mentorship, coaching. It keeps us up to date on everything that's going on in the online space, which we know changes almost faster than anything. Faster than we can change our socks, the online space changes and evolves. Now, schools are realizing that digital marketing is one of the things Forbes has predicted is going up. So they are wanting to get in on education and teaching people digital marketing. So I saw this in the United States. This is right here, a course. It's a 10-week course to learn digital marketing, and it only teaches you these simple things here. That's like, I don't know, 1/8, 1/16 of what you really need to learn, right? But they're charging this much money for that course. Once you're done the 10 weeks, I'm sure you're going to learn stuff. Then you have to go out and implement what you learn so you can start to grow a business. The thing with what I'm doing is you get the program, you get the support, you get the training, you get the mentorship, you get the tech support. Ongoing, if you have challenges, you get somebody helping you, and then you have the ability to resell the program for 100% profit, whereas the schools keep all the money. They sell the program over and over and over again. So I've learned from this program, I've unlocked 13 different income streams, and there's more. I just keep learning and growing and applying it as I need or as I want. I've now monetized myself on this YouTube channel, which is amazing. That's a new thing. So if you're interested in learning about YouTube, this is the program for you. You want to learn affiliate marketing, digital marketing, everything that you want to learn, all the different ways to make money online, you learn from this program. And you get the ability to resell it. Isn't that amazing? Number 3 is automation. So if you don't have automation, you will not be able to scale your business and your income will stay low. It will, you will be pulling your hair out because it's automation that gives you your freedom back and is able to retain your customers, give them what they want when they want it, so that you're not running around like a little hamster on a wheel, trying to constantly be on your phone, meeting your customers' needs. Now look at this slide here. This seems really complex. And honestly, I'm not techie. So when I look at this, it seems overwhelming. But the fact is, it's getting easier and easier for us non-techie, us people in our 50s or older, to create an income online because of the way tech has been simplified for us. So when you find the right program with the right system that has all this techie stuff done, it makes life so simple. The reason having automation is so important is because you won't have the success you need, because as you grow a business, people want, as a customer, want information quickly. We live in a, microwave age. They want that information fast. So they enter an email, their email and name, into a capture page. And this is sometimes called a sales funnel. This is mine. And when that is in there, automations kick in. That's what brings you through this list with emails, with videos, with links that they need to go to where they need to go to purchase or to get the product that they're after or answer their questions. That way, you can live life while automations are happening. That is why you need to have automations to be able to scale your business. In the beginning, you might be able to manually reply to everybody, but you can see as your business grows, I mean, mine's over $600,000. I could not possibly reply to all these people in a timely manner. I would lose business if I did not have automations. This is why it's so important. Now, the beautiful thing is you don't need to be techie to be able to implement automations. You just need to partner with the right program and system that has it all in place. And that's exactly what I have in this blueprint that I follow. So if you want to check it out, put blueprint below. I'm going to give you my link to, and you're going to go to my capture page and just see how the automations all flow. You're going to be amazed at it. So automations allow you, this is why I could build this business while I was working my 9-to-5. I had automations. And you run your business in the pockets of your day. So you control when you do the income producing activities for your business, and the automations take care of the rest. So it's like a 95% done for you type of business system. You have to do the 5% over here to bring people into your system, and then the rest is done, which is amazing. Okay, get a little warm now. So you can also learn how to create your own digital product, program, coaching program, if that's something that you want to create as another income stream. The opportunities in the online space are endless. But what you need to do is start with learning all of those ways so you have a basis to start on. For me, being working full time, I had limited time, limited resources, so I wanted to invest wisely into something that would teach me these skills. And when I saw this, I realized it was different than anything I tried before. And that's what made the world a difference. That's why I went from zero to over $600,000 in under a year. I retired from my 9 to 5 at 55 years of age when I thought I'd be working well past 65 because we were short for retirement. So if you want to learn the exact strategies and skill set, we have a live webinar where it breaks it all down so you can understand exactly what it is that we do. So put webinar below. I'm going to happily share it with you. And just learn, make the decision for yourself, because when I watched it, I knew this was what I needed. So let's do a little recap. 1, you need to find your niche. That's important. 2, you need to find a product or a program or something that you can then make 100% profit from. And what I think is best is a learn and earn program, because why not? While you're learning, you can also earn by sharing an educational program with other people that is teaching you skill sets that's changing your life. And 3, you need to have automation. That's what gives you your time back. That is what we call our freedom machine. So if you want to learn more about these 3 steps, you're going to want to watch our webinar, because that we really break it down. What are the programs that we have? How do you get certified? What does it look like? You're going to see in the description below my link. Go there, register for the webinar, and just understand, learn more about it, and just see for yourself why these are the 3 secrets for online business success. If you have any questions, I'm always happy to answer them as well. But look into digital marketing, because it is what Forbes is predicting to go up. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.